In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable game mode here on a Roku. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is begin by starting on your Roku remote and essentially just grab that remote and press the home button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, you're going to want to press the following buttons in order: down, left, up, up, up. And this will open up the hidden HDMI secret screen. From here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the menu and look for the ALLM mode, which essentially means the ultra low latency mode. So scroll down on here, select that, and it kind of depends on your current monitor as well. And since I'm game recording this, it doesn't work as well, as you can see using that 4K 60 Pro. But essentially hit enable, turn game mode on. And if you're using like a streaming stick or a Roku Express, you also may need to enable game mode directly in your TV's picture settings. If you're using a Roku TV, this menu's in another place where you could just adjust the setting. But that is it. That is how you can actually enable auto low latency mode here on a Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.